Welcome to the Lived Experience Leadership Digital Library website, a collaboration between the National Mental Health Consumer and Carer Forum, the Forum, and the National Primary Health Network Mental Health Lived Experience Engagement Network, MALEEN. The Lived Experience Leadership Digital Library, or the Library, is a central repository of mental health, consumer and carer leadership related knowledge and initiatives. It strives to focus on work by those with lived experience, but also includes work generated by non-government organisations and academic and clinical and/or biomedical documents to shed light on the role of systems and their readiness to recognise and provide support for those with lived experience to become leaders of change. You can find out more by going to the Library tab and clicking on About. The library was co-designed by the Forum and MH-Lean consumers and carers, along with key input from the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander Lived Experience Centre. If you hover over Browse Library, you will see that there are 5 categories for you to choose from: lived experience leadership, engagement and participation, co-design and co-production, lived experience workforce, and lived experience research. Each of these categories has a number of subcategories for ease of use. So let's have a look at one of the subcategories here. Let's look at engagement and participation, seminal work. Click the link and you will see it holds a list of resources including articles, websites, podcasts and videos. You can then click the link and it takes you to that resource. This is going to save you a lot of time and energy finding resources on these topics. Let's have a bit closer look at what information is provided about articles or documents. First you will see the article title, then some information about the authors, then information about whether or not you will have to pay for the article, and you can read more of the abstract by clicking the Read More link. Let's take a look at tools, guidelines and frameworks. When you click through, you will see we are in the engagement participation subject area, and listed are some frameworks like Minds Participation and a co-design practice framework, Lived Experience Framework from New South Wales, and Mental Health Lived Experience Engagement Framework from Victoria. There is a full repertoire of information on a broad range of topics for you to browse. This curated library of information will make finding information on these topics super quick and easy, all found in that one place. If you want to search for something specific, you click on the Search tab. This takes you to a page with a search function. You can search your criteria and you will see that it brings up a full list of all references to that criteria across all 5 categories. We're always keen to receive feedback and suggestions on possible inclusions into the library. Please bear in mind these 3 points when considering submitting feedback. Then simply complete the form and we will review your feedback and suggestions. Finally, there are a couple of sub-menus underneath the Library Information tab. These include About, which we've already explored, Language, which addresses the language used in the website and has links to a glossary, Access options references how articles may require payment, Referencing describes our method of referencing on the site, and finally a copyright notice. That concludes our exploration of the website. Special thanks to all of the consumers and carers for their collaborative work in putting together this really useful digital library of resources that will serve the lived experience and broader mental health community. Thank you.